Quack, 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 quack. So today we're gonna play obby back to our bed.
Wait.
What?
There's a bird make quacking sound. I thought it made. Anyways, I mean, look, when you jump, guys, here closely, look. See?
It's supposed to.
Anyways, I'm Kobe.
And I'm Tina.
Today we're playing Abby, but you're a Sigma bird. Wait for me, bro.
Okay, but I will.
You're not waiting for me.
Oh no! Wait for me! I just fall down.
Where do we go? Here?
I don't know. So.
I'm the. Where are you? Are you
I'm
the purple?
I'm
I'm the yellow one.
Purple. I'm the.
Do you see me? I'm jumping.
Wait, what's that?
Oh. Jump.
Ah! Wait, where are we?
Here.
Oh, here. Oh no.
Ah.
Quack. Quack.
I'm behind you. Do you see me?
Oh no, where are we? Oh,
No. Are we here?
wait, what? Oh, it's over here.
Are we gonna wall hop?
Wait, over here? Oh no.
Oh, here. Here. Jump there. Here, jump here.
Okay, I will jump. Oh. Let me. I can't even.
Come here. Sa bush ka, bush. Bush, jump. Oh no. Sa bush ka. And then boom. O, diba?
Oh, okay. I got you. Oh.
Ugh.
Oh, over here. Sorry, I'm dumb. Wait,
Don't say that.
here.
Ah.
That!
I'm leaving you.
No, stop. You're the bad Kobe.
Yes.
Where am
Come on.
I can. Oh, I finally jumped. Oh my god, I missed.
Oh. We're not stopping until we finish this obby. Okay, buddy? Wait for me. I think my graphics. Never mind.
Oh my god, I fall again.
I thought you fall there.
Help!
Just jump.
Okay. Finally. Okay. Secret tunnel.
Secret. Here.
Here. Are we good?
Oh.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ah. Yes.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god.
Yeah. It's a good thing we're a bird, so that's why we
Birds can fly. Yes.
yeah. And why are we not flying?
And duck can fly.
Why are we? This is a bird, bro. It says
Quack.
yes. Checkpoint.
Checkpoint.
Does it say 1?
Checkpoint.
Look up.
Wait.
Sa height. Kita mo yung height.
Uh,
Ano na nakalagay sa square? Sa white square.
1. So,
What are we gonna do here?
I don't know.
Wait, come here. Here.
Okay.
Meron dito.
There.
Wait for me, okay?
Okay.
Or else.
I'm not gonna leave, you know?
Are you sure?
You see me, I was standing here, bro.
Oh,
That scares me.
here.
Oh,
It's okay, you can go back.
okay.
Mag-shift lock ka para madali. Nakakatuwa!
It looks like it's so fun. Let me swim.
Yeah, let me.
Let me swim.
Okay, now let's go.
What's that?
Where do we go after here?
Oh, it's nothing. Nothing.
Let's go. What's inside the house?
It's actually nothing.
Absolutely.
Okay. And the first.
I don't care, broski.
Oh, there's a ladder.
Leather. Here.
Is that marshmallow?
What do you mean? Bro, is this a marshmallow? That's a mushroom.
Sorry, I thought.
Ay! Wait, I think we're gonna jump this. Let's go. Jump!
Where? Oh, okay.
Come on, you got this.
Yeah.
Here, checkpoint. Checkpoint. Do you got the checkpoint?
Yeah. Wait, what is that? Is that?
Wait, let's see what to say. Caution, spikes.
Caution? Oh.
Caution.
That's a spike. I thought that's a marshmallow.
Marsh, Matina, Marsh.
Mars.
Oh no, I'm white.
I'm black. I mean,
Me, you're gray, Goofy.
I'm gray.
Oh no, I fall. You're gay?
No, I'm not. I died.
Wait for me.
No, I'm back to white. Wait, Twitchy.
Come here. Okay, be careful, be careful. Jump. Jump. Okay.
I'm scared.
Uh,
Where are we?
wait, ganto. Yeah.
Oh, it's look like wall hop.
Like, hop. Why did bro say like, it looks like wall hop?
It looks. Oh my god! I always fall.
You can't wall hop in this game.
I can't even wall hop.
You cannot wall hop. Oh man. What a bummer.
I'm not bomber.
Not you, bro. I'm talking about the game. Oh, so close, bro. Here. Hop to ako alam ganda go. Be careful of the spikes. Ah! Oh, the spikes.
Spikes.
Oh, here.
I'm sorry for the falling.
Okay. Okay, my sister was back. Blah, blah.
Yes, I'm
Hop to ah.
Hot to.
Ah.
Almost fall.
Here.
Wait, where are we?
And then I think we're gonna jump this. No! Okay, I'm back. Where do we go? Wait, let's read this.
Wait, what's that?
No birds past this point. Go to the cave.
Okay, where's the cave?
You know we can just fit here, but there's an invisible wall.
Oh.
Bro, did bro just burp?
Yeah, I did burp.
Anyways.
Ah!
Oh, here.
Who?
Holy moly.
Oh my god, I always bad at things.
Okay, after 500 centuries, my sister's here. Let's go. Ding, 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 ding. Here, bro.
Oh.
Be careful, okay? Bro.
Oh my god, careful.
Ah, baka.
I'm
Where we go?
Cat. I'm a go.
Oh! Go here! Yeah!
Did y'all saw that?
Yeah, bro, clutch.
Oh.
Yes!
Yes!
Oh my god, bro, give us a... Here.
Give us a...
Checkpoint.
And I need some checkpoint.
You got this. Yes.
Did y'all see that?
Yeah, bro was holding on for dear life.
I almost died.
Give us a checkpoint.
Give us the checkpoint, please.
Here! Let's go!
Ah!
Oh.
Oh my god, wait, where are we?
Where are we?
Are you the pink one?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you were the purple one. And I was about to say twins. Where are you? Wait for me.
I have a shortcut.
Wait, it says arrow, and I go there.
I had the shortcut. Watch you. Oh, I shortcut it. I have a shortcut. Ah.
It says arrow over there.
Here. Hello. Yeah.
Wait, how?
Wait lang. Yung spike. Hindi dyan.
Oh, sorry.
Yung spike. Wait, ano yun?
Wait, how? Oh, I almost fall. Oh.
Oh. Saan ka?
I'm here. What? Wait.
I think it's a skill issue.
I in gravity fall.
I did not die.
You die.
I'm blue. Oh. I'm pink.
So that's mean you're dead and you're our wizard.
Anong razor? Wait for me, Anna. I fall.
I'm in the bush.
Wait for me. I fall.
Hello. Oh my god, there's a spikes. I fall!
Where are you?
I fall.
Where are you? Did you go?
I fall!
Did you die?
No, I almost died, but
Wait for me. Nasaan ka?
I almost died.
Nasaan ka? Stop. Hindi mo ko ni-wait.
Wait, did you die?
Oo. Kaya nga naging blue ako eh. Ay pink.
Paano?
I mean, kaya nabalik ako dun eh.
Oh.
Wait for me.
Oh, you did fall, huh?
No!
And you'll go back.
Okay, chat, I'm back. Oh, wow. Oh, shortcut.
Wait, how? How?
I think. Never mind. Let's go. Oh no. Be careful, my spike.
Oh no. Oh my god, I almost died. Wait, where are you?
Oh no. Here.
Oh, here. Oh my god, I almost died. Jackpot! I thought that was it.
Nope.
Where? Okay. Ladder! Oh,
Oh, what?
it's a little ladder. How? Oh, this one. Boom, bam, bam.
Be careful, my spike. Can we jump here? Bro, I saw that.
Jackpot!
Let's go. Thank you. We are not stopping until we finish
Wait,
this.
is that one?
Let me know.
Oh. Over there? Over
Over
there?
here.
Over there?
Over there.
Over there?
Oh,
Oh, okay.
what a broken house.
We can climb it.
Oh.
How do we get? Oh, this one. This one.
It's like Mario. It's like when Speed and Kaisi not playing Super Mario. Where we go here?
Wee!
And then here.
I almost.
What? Oh, never mind.
Where are we? Oh, over here. Swimming time.
Yes, okay. Let's just... Okay, resin muna natin kamay natin.
Yeah.
Ah.
God.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
god.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay. Oh my god. Wait. Where did
Sino yun? Wee. Bro was too quick. Let's go!
This is why you need to relax.
Yeah.
Wait.
Tina, right? The K-pop demon. Guys, if you watch the K-pop demon hunter, it was so good.
Yeah.
And my older sister has a crush on Gino.
Yeah.
And Tina has a crush on Abby.
No, I did crush on. Oh my god. And now I fall because of you.
Why? Because you remember Abby's abs.
No, I hate that.
Bro, you just got to jump.
I jumped, but
Hit hero.
where?
Follow me. Here. Okay? Here. Basta dyan. Wait lang. Wait, di mo ginamp yun?
Oh, no.
Wait lang, wait for me, okay?
Mukhang fun, no?
It is.
Shortcut.
Alright, I'm here.
So,
Yes! Okay. Wait, be careful, be careful.
Ooh.
What the? Go up here.
Go up. And, oh, it's dark.
Jump.
Where jump?
Oy! No! Nabalik ako!
Oh,
Wait for me. It's gonna be fast. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm back. We're so confused. Let me try jumping that again. Wait, let's go to the edge. Yes. Oh! Oh!
wait, there's a checkpoint.
Yes, yes, yes!
Yay!
Okay, what does it say?
Wait, what's that?
Spinning clouds. What? Oh no.
I know how to do that. It's easy.
Too easy.
Why you say, oh no?
I said, oh no, what is that, goofy head? You go ball.
Where are we going?
Here.
Oh, it's over there. Okay.
Oh no, look at this. Okay, we go. Okay, the clouds.
Spinning cloud. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Wait, what? How?
Easy.
Oh my god, I'm so scared.
Climb the tree, shortcut.
Wait.
I can't.
Climb.
I can't. Come on.
Wait, how? Oh. Are you sure you're gonna shortcut?
I said, come on, goofy. Are you blind?
Sorry.
Oh, my spike.
What?
What?
How should we go?
Wait, here.
Wait. Oh.
And
Absolutely nothing.
and there. Come here. Look at this. Watch me. No, why?
Bro.
What? This game is goofy.
Finally.
Wait for me. Okay,
And I'm gonna fall again.
here. I fall. It's okay.
Wait, what is it?
I fall again.
Please be respectful.
What?
King Dog Shrine.
King Duck?
Shrine.
So this is a duck game. Why does it say Obby but you're a bird? Oh. Okay.
You mean you're
Uh,
a duck?
Oh, no. Don't, wait. Respectful though. So, let's just go here. Go here. King Duck statue. Okay, I thought it was gonna kill us. King Duck's party located at 100 meters. Let's go to the King Duck's party. Yes, checkpoint. Oh, bro.
Where did Bro come from? Oh my god, it's so hard. Beam.
Wait, I see a shortcut. Look at this. Wait for me.
This one?
It almost worked. Look. Ay!
How do you fall? You fall!
It's okay.
Because there's a checkpoint. You need to be on that hidden cloud spinning. I don't know.
What's here? Okay.
Oh my god, it's so fun. Oh my god.
Oh. It's shut.
Where's the
Oh, there. Oh, hindi yan.
I'm just hitting myself in the wall.
Oh.
Oh no. Are we stuck?
Wait, go here.
Wait, we go here. Oh, never mind. Okay, we go.
Jump.
Okay, jump.
I hope this is not the wrong way. Oh,
Wow.
I think we're lost. Wait, come here. Come on.
Let's try the tree one.
Come here. Oh.
Wait, what's that?
Oh, wait. I think we're actually stuck. Let's go back.
Yeah.
Wrong way. Oh, no. Wait, jump natin to. Wait, let's go here. And jump. Well,
Are we dumb, guys?
Okay, let's just go back here. Go. Okay. Go to 6. Go to 5. Ito. Okay.
I go to the 5.
Okay, let's go. Hindi, 6 yung pinuntahan mo. Okay. Hello. Yeah. Boy, you almost pushed me.
I didn't push you.
You did.
No, I didn't.
Tarat.
Wait.
No, not there. I think we're gonna... Yeah, definitely not there. Bro.
Bro, what the bit?
Oh, here! Oh my god, bro.
We're super dumb.
And you cannot... You fall.
I almost fall over there. Bro, it doesn't let me jump over there.
Just jump the bridge.
Okay. Oh, jump in the bed.
I'm leaving.
No, stop! Pause.
Nope. What I can...
I finally jumped.
There's no need to pause, bro. Where do we go here?
Up there.
Nope. Okay, let's go here. Because this is the only choice.
Ah, I fall.
Climb the tree.
I can't even. Where are we right now?
Yeah. This game's kinda...
It's kind of cool, but it's not.
It's kinda confusing. Here?
Wait.
No.
Bro, where do we go? I'm not fine.
You're crying.
Wait.
Go back. Come here. Go back.
Scared me.
Go back.
Wait.
Oh, stop.
Wait.
Stop being so goofy.
Sigma boy.
Where do we go? I think we're supposed to go here. But I can't jump it. Come on, let's go back.
True.
Probably here.
Probably. Wait. Over there.
Where?
Look. Here.
Are you serious?
Look.
I'm-
Viewers, you're super dumb.
Here. Oh, no.
Oh my god, we're super dumb.
Heated bird butt. Let's go. Ah.
Checkpoint!
Checkpoint. Finally.
Wait, what is it say? This section is really long.
Okay.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Where are we? Here.
Oh, Tino. Come here.
What?
Pick up the spike. I just said, be careful of the spike.
Where are you?
Chat, can we make this?
I'm sorry. Oh!
Here to the bridge.
Yay! A cake! Nom nom.
That's not a key. I think
Is that cool?
I think it's a. Oh.
Jump, long jump.
Oh.
Long jump.
Bullseye. Oh yeah.
Yay! I'm in the red.
Me too.
Red circles.
Whoop.
Wait for me!
Yes.
Wait for me.
Are we going the wrong way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, over there. Oh,
Nahulog ka?
over there. Oh.
Saan? Hindi nga. I think we can't reach it. Oh my god. Here we go again with this silly game.
So silly.
Let's see where this guy goes.
I can't even. Over there.
Oh! Oh yeah, I forgot we were birds.
Yeah, we were birds, but not duck at all.
Yeah! Oh no.
This guy is smart than us. Oh,
I think we went the wrong way.
yeah, we're the wrong way. Let's
Reset.
go back.
Go to 7. Bruh.
I think there's a
I wish this game had directions. Womp womp. Bullseye, 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 bullseye. And 360.
50.
Yeah, I got 100.
Me, I'm not good.
No way, bro. Ah, dito! Oh my god, bro.
Wait, over here.
Hindi dyan!
There's a water over there.
Eh di ano to? Oh my god.
Oh.
Distract mo ako eh!
Wait, Kuya. You
What?
forgot you forgot your recording.
What do you mean? I don't know we're recording. Bro, it's been 27 minutes. Alright, let's get end the video. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.